You do not want to be out here. Take back the streets. Take back the streets. There you go. Now, some folks are getting offended about gentrification. Gentrification is tearing up the community. But I disagree. Because I actually know somebody that's rehabbing over here, and they spoke with the residents of this neighborhood. And they said that they appreciated what they were doing. And that they were cleaning up the neighborhood and making it better for the people who lived over here. That's what they said. For residents of the neighborhood, how they feel about it, they're going to give you a different story. So I don't think that's a bad thing. And that's why I think that Epstein did not kill himself. Bruh, this is the part of town where you catch a beat down. You do not want to be over here, dude. Ooh, this is rough. Hope you guys appreciate this. You know, putting me in danger like this. This is the hood safari right here. Hope you guys can appreciate, like and subscribe. That's all I can say. Yeah, because I'm giving you guys good content. You can't say I'm not. Okay, so let's see if we can find some properties here. We probably can. We'll probably find all kinds of abandoned ones. There's one right there. While I'm just talking. But the real question is, can we get the address of it? I think we can. Park closed, dusk to dawn. That lets you know right there. There's a dude standing out. But the address, I got the address already, so I just want to get the hell out of here. Alright, we made it out alive. You guys should be happy. You guys should be glad. I know I am. Because some people don't make it out. But I did. We're not out of the woods yet. We're out of the hoods yet. Here's another one right here. Boarded up. Here's one. This is 81. And this is something. There's a 7. I don't know what that is. I can't see it. I can't see an address on it. I'll show you guys. I can't tell what it is. So how would I know? It's a rough area. This is one of those ones you may not want to bring a pistol with you next time I come through here. I don't know what this is. I want to say it is 80. I think I know what it is, actually. Alright, we're finding some good ones, though. Here's one right here, if I can get this one without getting hit. I can't see the address on it, though. Yeah, I can. Got it. A lot of times, you gotta be quick. You miss it out. You miss out on it. People standing out on the corner is never a good thing when you're rolling through a neighborhood, because it usually means there's activity going on, and that activity usually isn't good activity. I don't think they're tap dancing out there. It is roughly about 4 o'clock here, and I'm pretty sure that I'm tired of being in the hood. This is by far the one part of town you do not want to be in after dark. Alright, so we are back home now. And I'm going to show you guys what to do with the addresses that we got when we were driving for dollars. So in Google, what you want to do is type in the name of your city. And in our case, it will be Nashville. And we're going to type in tax assessor. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this guy right here, and we're going to do a property search. We're going to do a simple search, hit agree. Alright, we're going to change this guy to address. and we're going to type in the address. We'll just say it's Main Street, but in this case, it'll be Main Street. Now, obviously, that's a fictitious address. It doesn't exist, but you get the idea. And then from there, you click on one of these guys, and it's going to give you the address, the mailing address. From here, you're going to compile a list, okay? And inside the list, we'll put the address on one line. You see the property address. Okay, so now that we got the addresses in here, we can go ahead and export this or save it. I prefer to go to File, to go to Download, and we're going to download this as a CSV, comma separated value. You can export this and do postcards or call these people, use a skip tracing software, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see future content by me, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh yeah, you know what time it is. Coming up in 2020, we got richboywayne.com, the new website. I'm going to be posting blogs. I'm going to be posting memes. I'm going to be posting links and motivational speeches and whatnot. Also coming up in 2020, we coming out with the Rich Boy Wayne interviews. We're going to be bringing on some special guests onto the show to show you what's really going on in the market today. And you're going to hear their stories and you're going to be blown away. Because I got my boy coming on and he's killing it right now in the Chattanooga market. Got another guy's coming on and it's gonna be awesome. I got some big things planned. If you're not already subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. Also coming up, I have my t-shirt line. I'm starting my own merch, t-shirts, hats, maybe some coffee mugs. Just starting out, doing my own thing. People have also asked me about coaching. I do have coaching available for people in my market. However, at some point I may be going nationwide with it. I don't really know how to implement that stuff yet, so I guess I'll keep you guys posted about that. If you want to follow me on Facebook, you can. You can also follow me on biggerpockets.com under the name not Rich Boy Wayne, but Wayne Woodson. So search for Wayne Woodson, you'll see a picture of me. You can follow me there. You can also follow me on Twitter under the name Rich Boy Wayne, along with Instagram. I think it's the real Rich Boy Wayne. And you can also follow me on our Facebook group. And if you're not already subscribed, like I said, go ahead and subscribe, man. Get connected, because we got some big things coming, and you're not going to be ready for them. They're going to blow you away, dude. We're going to break free in 2020. This is my vision for 2020. I guess you can say it's my 2020 vision. Okay, I'll stop. I know. We got some good things coming out. Doing some big things. And like I said, stay subscribed. And I'll keep you guys posted. Peace.